support namig panghatag through Greater Life Foundation. Thank you kayo. Sinalin Aktob, Angel Aktob, and Gabriel Aktob. Among ipantagaan ang mga farmers karon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. This is another batch of our feeding. And our menu for today is pancit rice and fried chicken. Thank you so much to Greater Life Foundation and Ginaline Aktob and Gabriel Aktob. By the way, happy birthday, Gab. Thank you so much. As always, through Greater Life Foundation. Thank you so much. In a while, amo ning i-distribute sa mga tao. This is 50, more than 50 packs.
Happy birthday, Kuya Gabriel. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Gabriel. Nagluto mig chicken. Nami cook, Gab. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Gabriel. Salamat kay Gab.